Have you ever placed this in your bed? What is it, and why should you do it? Find out in this short video. These are dried bay leaves. They're amazing to use in your bed. Before I go into the brilliant benefits, let me show you how to use them now. A good way is to take a few of these dried bay leaves and place them directly under your pillow. You can also place a bay leaf directly inside the pillowcase. This is a simple option, just tuck it into the pillowcase. If you don't want the bay leaf to break apart, place a few bay leaves in a small bag like this. You can tie the bag and poke holes in it with a toothpick, then place it somewhere near your bed, like right next to the headboard, or in another part of the bed where the scent of the bay leaves can still be felt. Another simple option is to place a bay leaf on your bedside table. But what are these bay leaves good for in your bed? They can help you have a peaceful night. You may fall asleep faster and sleep better throughout the night because the scent of bay leaves relaxes and calms you. So, if you suffer from insomnia, you can try using bay leaves. Dear friends, subscribe to the channel and share this video on social media. Thank you.